Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure both the case and earbuds have juice. Charge for at least 20-30 minutes so firmware can initialize. Once charged, install the Bose Music app and enable Bluetooth and location on your device because the app handles setup and updates. Then open the case and press the power/pair button for 2 to 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. You'll see a white blinking LED. That indicates the earbuds are discoverable, so you can add them to Bluetooth devices in your phone settings. Once paired, focus on fit and controls because comfort directly affects sound and noise cancellation. Try the included ear tip sizes and use the app's fit check. A snug seal yields better bass and stronger ANC. Next, customize touch controls and toggle between ANC and aware modes in the Bose Music app so your gestures do exactly what you want. Also check for firmware updates. Updating fixes bugs and improves performance, and enable multi-point in settings if you plan to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. You finish by validating core functions. Play audio, make a test call, and confirm the microphone and inline controls behave as expected, because real-world checks catch issues early. After using them, always place earbuds in the case to power down and protect battery. Hold the case button for 1 to 2 seconds to ensure they are off if needed. If you hit a problem, like no pairing or intermittent audio, reset the earbuds by holding the power for 10 seconds or use the app's factory reset option. That fixes most faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.